how to fix Roblox Mobile crashing. Now, if your mobile application of Roblox is actually crashing, it could be happening due to many different reasons. First, you want to make sure that it is not the internet connection and make sure your internet is working just fine. Second, you want to make sure that you have plenty of storage within your device. So if you're running out of storage, that could sometimes cause the lags and the crashes to happen on your Roblox app. Now, if you're using Android, open up settings. Once you open up settings, go to apps. Under apps, simply search for the Roblox app. Once you go to Roblox app, go to the option called storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Check also from your Play Store or App Store if your Roblox app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, if you're using iPhone, you can try to offload or sometimes even uninstall and reinstall the app, and also make sure to restart your device depending upon whichever device you're using, and you'll be able to go ahead and then fix the mobile crashing issue. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.